this is going to be an outlet. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. This is my van Vanna, and I invite you to join me on my journey to convert Vanna into a camper van. Come see what I'm working on today. Okay, so I mentioned in another video that this third wire came out of a lug that's stuck in this housing here. So I went and bought a toolkit to try to see if I can get that lug out. And let's see if it works. So out of all these tools that came with it, I think it's a duplicate in case it breaks, because it did break. This one, which is the same as this one, is the one that worked. Got a terminal remover toolkit, and I don't know if the colors mean anything, but this blue one was able to go into the back of here. I was able to push the blue one down all the way to the end. It broke in the process because it was like this. The thing broke off of it. And then I had a hard time, when this got free, I had a time pulling it out. So a bread nail, I got a little bread nail and stuck it up in the blue. It goes up in the middle of this because this was circling it. And I ended up, that didn't work. I had to get something like this to bring it out. And then that did the trick. So let's hope that this housing is still good. But the lug nut is out. I don't know if the housing is any good or not, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay, I found a way to beat up my air conditioner wires, my negative and positive, and it's going to travel across this right here, which I have to put some heat wrap like the rest. So if you look at back here, they have heat wrap. You have to copy that, and all of this wire, I'm going to have to cut it and feed it into my compressor. So I am tired, it was ordeal just to feed it up in this hole down here. These two holes, it was an ordeal to feed it there. And this is where the wires are coming up from underneath the van for the air conditioning. So they're coming over here to my electrical section. So they will be fed right straight into the main bus bar. Good morning, everybody. I am back with Vanna, and I am in the process of finishing up wiring my air conditioner that's underneath the van. So I need to get under here and finish wiring that over there to my compressor. And I'm going to have to snip my cable to the right side, and then I need to crimp on a terminal. So let me get that done. Okay, so I got my positive and negative wire wrapped in heat tape here and ready to be put on the right terminal. I need to get some electrical tape around here. Can't find it. As soon as I find it, I'll tape it around and maybe tape it all the way up to here. Anyway, another thing. Okay, so wiring up my outlets now. So this is a 12 gauge 3-wire marine grade cable here, and I get this whole section here will be my electrical box, and so my AC breaker panel, whatever, is going to originate here. I'm planning for it to come up here, and I have an outlet up here where will be my first GCI outlet, and that's traveling down here to where all the other switches is, by the bathroom and kitchen. Have another outlet there, and then it goes on to by my driver's seat. All of them. So I do want an AC outlet in the front of the car by my driver's seat. I'd have a USB port and a cigarette lighter, but I want an AC. I don't know. I thought it a luxury item when I get my car to have an AC outlet around the front, just in case you need to plug something in. So I got an outlet going up there. So all of that is on one circuit on the driver's side of my wall. So now I'm going to work on the passenger side of the wall, which will consist of a separate circuit going to my cooktop. And maybe I will join that outlet to go outside the band, maybe underneath the band. I'll hide an outlet underneath the band, just in case I'm outside my band. I have an outlet and another second circuit that will go to my toaster oven. And I'm making those two separate because the wattage for those appliances are high. So I'm going to keep it on a separate circuit. And then I'm trying to get a third circuit, which is going to cover everything else over here on the passenger side, like my laptop, monitor, and an outlet on this side of the wall for the sleeping area. So let's see if I have enough cable to do all of that. And if not, I will have to buy more. But let's hope I have enough. Bye. Okay, so this is the hole that I drilled for the electrical and the refrigerant hose to go up into the van. Let me show you where that comes out at. Okay, and this is where the hole comes up. If you look standing there, the hole comes up through here. So I'll pull everything up and then run it on up the wall. That's the plan. This is going to be an outlet. So now the electrical wires of the compressor is being fed up into the hole, and I have my outlet coming out of the hole. So all I gotta do is put some wire loom or something, and fasten it to the van under here. Just wire loom it and fasten it, zip ties or something. Okay. Alright. Back here with my electrical that goes up into the hole over there. You can see that. But anyway, I put wire loom around that too. So I'm making progress. So the only thing that remains is underneath my van. Here I have my compressor for the air conditioning. I got the power that's coming out of the van from the battery area that is going to be hooked on to the compressor here. I just need to nail it down. I need to take the screw off and nail it down. But I think I did a good job with the crimping. Tucked on it real good to make sure it wouldn't come out. And the other thing I have to do is there is a wire back there that's hanging there that I need to attach to the chassis program. Okay, you guys, I think I got my pre-wiring done. I have the wire coming in from outside the van for the outside outlet. I have my laptop and monitor and docking station that's going to be on the bedside area when the bed is up, and then I have cooktop, and then this goes across the ceiling and down to the electrical area. I have another circuit that would be for the oven, a kitchen outlet that also travels across and down to the electrical area. So I ended up having just three circuits instead of the 4. I did run out of wire, and I just decided to just combine some outlets on one of the high power items like my cooktop and my oven. Those are my 2 high power drawers. So I attach an outlet to each of them on their circuit so that I can drop a line. So 3 circuits instead of 4. The first one on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side. So with my pre-wiring done, that means I can move on to framing out my my bathroom area so that I can make my way to getting the ceiling done. Put this insulation back up that kept falling. So okay, one more thing that I finished on this electrical job, and that is